Hey, I'm going to show you how to fix the rattling sound on a 2002 Nissan Frontier. This also works for models from, I believe, 2000 to 2003. So whenever I stop at a fast food restaurant and I'm holding on the brake, still in gear, I hear a rattling sound. And I've just checked all of my rubber connections and stuff like that, where the exhaust is connected, and they're all good, except for one. Right there. That's that rattling sound. Whenever this gets to rattling, it rattles up against that. So all I gotta do is replace this, whether it be a bushing or I don't know if it needs to be welded or just removed, because it's pretty tight as it is. You hear that sound I was hearing. But yeah, that's the problem that I found. Didn't see any videos that showed how to fix it, so, or what it was, so there you go. See if you can see it well. It's just, there's nothing there, it's just rattling up against the metal. And that's it. Leave a like. Thanks for watching.